the Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce you as husband and
There are rain clouds over the electric
Hindi
sea,
ako ready!
and they cast a shadow
Welcome to our channel!
but the light cuts through, and it takes the shape of a brand new world in the Milky Way.
Salamat po!
You're the only one I want. You're the only one I want.
Please welcome the bride and groom, Kathy and Mike!
Sink into my arms and remember the past nights. I could never ask for a better one than you. You're the only one I'll be yours beyond the cold echoes of the death of a hero. I'd give my life to see you once again. You're the only one I want. It was dark and stormy. You could barely see.
So bakit nga ba nagpapakasal? Oh, di ba? Sabi ko nga kay Mike, Damot, magpa-party na lang tayo. Eh siya, sabi niya, bakit ba nagpapakasal ang dalawang tao? Sige, ikaw, sagutin mo nga, ba't ba nagpapakasal ang dalawang tao? Parang hindi totoo. I love you na. Basta, love na love ko ito.
Baby, let me hold you for the last time. Sink into my arms and remember the past nights. I could never ask for a better one than you. I'll be yours.
Nag-start kami both from AT&T company. I'm from IT department, then si Kat sa sales department.
And during that time, pinagkamalan ko pa siyang, hoy, bata. Kasi bata siya talaga pag nakita nyo siya. So, naging kami is 2018. And then, dahil nga hindi kami expressive, parang nag-agree kami na, oh, okay, let's have a one notebook. If may gusto kong sabihin sa akin na hindi mo kayang sabihin in person, isulat mo dito. So, may sulat siya sa akin. Sa ngayon, love, magtiwala ka lang sa akin. Ipagdasal mo lang palagi tayo at sigurado ako na di tayo pababayaan ni Papa Jesus. Mahal na mahal kita, love.
Today, I married the man she raised, loved, and was so proud of. I promise to take care of his heart the way she did. Wow. Si Mama. Hiking watch. Gustong-gusto ko talaga itong relo na ito eh.
Oh, game. Let's go. Let's go, Jollibee. Let's go. Let's go, Jollibee. Let's go. Hi! Bago ko ikasal, magja-Jollibee muna ako. Congratulations! Thank you! The best kayo. Galingan nyo. Punta kayo sa kasal ko. Akila lang.
Bago pa mga kita nakilala, araw-araw kong dinadasal sa Panginoon na ipagkaloob sa akin ang babaeng makakasama ko habang buhay. Alam mo naman pinagdaanan natin, kaya regardless naman, kayang-kaya natin ang mga darating pa.
With you, I learned that I can be soft, that I can rest, that I can be held without having to prove anything first. You became my peace in the middle of my chaos. And I will never forget that moment when I was at my most exhausted. When everything felt heavy, you just held me and said, pahinga ka muna. Andito lang ako. And in that moment, I realized I wasn't alone anymore.
ako, lalo na sa mga anak natin. Kaya lalo nating galingan. Mahal na mahal kita.
And today, after everything we've been through, I just don't marry the man I love. I marry the man who chose me when it wasn't easy. And I will spend the rest of my life choosing you back. In every lifetime, in every version of my story, I will still find my way to you. I love you.